Hello, hi guys! Magandang hapon sa inyo lahat. This is Chin from Masigari Channel, a faith healer o Zamatarder. So ngayong hapon natutugyan natin ang nagsasabihin sa inyo ng ating mga gabay. This is weekly gabay for the month of November 17 hanggang November 23 for the sign of Virgo. So Virgo, welcome to my channel. Ano kayang messages, advices, at spirit guides ang ating masasaga for today's video? Kanina naman kayang energy or kaganapan sa lahat ng mga Virgo signs ang ating maagilap. So guys, this reading is a journey reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo, and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit notification bell for more videos update. And of course, maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel, lalo-lalo na hindi nag-skip ng ads. Naway pagpalain po kayo ng Diyos at may kapal, siksik-liglig na guumapaw ang biyayang manumbalik sa inyo. So guys, kumapit ka dahil ito namin sa'yo ng ating mga gabay. Angel Spirit messages for the sign of Virgo. Angel Spirit, there is a Four of Cups to evaluate or analyze, no? May mga bagay siguro na dapat mong pag-isipan, pagplanuhan, pagmunihan, di ba? And of course, there is a Page of Cups. There's listen to your intuitions and listen to your gut feelings, no? Kumbaga, pag nagkaroon ka na ng kaba or something na pangamba, no? Kumbaga, kailangan mong kumbaga kailangan mapag-isipan. Hindi pwede tayong pala desisyon yan, diba? And of course, guys, there's everything is fine. Sinasabi dito na sa dami mong pinagdaanan, no? Hanggat ngayon, kumbaga sinasabi na pinipilit mo maging okay. So, sinasabi dito na kahit ang sakit na, kahit ang daming sakripisyo na, no? Parang nananatili kang nakatayo, no? At panatiliing lumalaban. And of course, there's a Two of Wands, there's a decision. So, this is the moment na, kumbaga, tinitignan mo yung better side of situation, no? Kumbaga, hindi ka nagbe-base sa isang decision lang or something na, kumbaga, ina-analyze mo or something binivisualize mo bago ka mag-take ng action. And of course, there's a the word card. So, there's a trouble or something success coming your way. And of course, there's a tower moment. There's a sudden changes. Kumbaga, may mga bagay na magbabago. Ikasisira man to, ikabubuo na isang situations or some of you baka mayroong kumbaga relocations or something sudden changes na magaganap, 'di ba? So let's see what is the Four of Cups. And of course, there is Knight of Pentacles. So there's our evaluations, no? Sinasabi dito na maging secure ka pagdating sa finances for the Knight of Pentacles. Kailangan bago mo tanggapin yung isang offer, kailangan mo pag-iisipan na maraming beses, 'di ba? Kasi may mga bagay na offer tayong nakukuha na kumbaga hindi siya for long last, no? And because there is a Six of Wands, there's a victory and success. So sinasabi dito magtatagumpay ka kung naman yung larangan na gusto mo, na makinig ka lagi sa intuitions mo, nasa ganun hindi ka naliligaw ng landasin, nasa ganun na magpatuloy ka at kumbaga mailagay ka sa tamang mong kalalagyan, and of course kumbaga walang magkaroon ng problema, no? Or aberya. Let's see what is the everything is fine. So, there is a devil card. So, ibig sabihin dito, kumbaga, kahit na, pinipilit mo talaga maging okay. So, there's a devil energy na, kumbaga, mayroong gumagawa sa yung black magic involved. No? See, the Three of Pentacles. So, there's a teamwork. So, ibig sabihin dito, it's either katrabaho mo or marami silang gumagawa sa'yo, no? Or either there's a family related or something na, kumbaga, or something workmates, no? Or something na, kumbaga, kung gusto nito pabagsakin ka, no? Kumbaga, ang daming nakatarak na sa'yo ngayon. So, maraming mga nakatarak na ganito eksena. See? So, ibig sabihin ko may mga nararamdaman ka na ganyan, 'di ba? Yan. So, this is the, meron talagang gumagawa sa'yo na hindi maganda. So, let's see what is the Two of Wands. So, there's a strength card. So, there's a confident. At kailangan mo maging matapang, no? Kailangan mo maging matapang sa mga bagay-bagay or sa decision mo na, kumbaga, maging mahinahon at wag ka maging padalos-dalos, no? So, let's see what is the word card. Those are sa judgment. So, there's a wake-up call. So, ito na yung time na kumbaga makakapag-ibang bansa ka na, or something makakaalis ka na ulit, or something na may bala ka mag-ibang bansa. This is the moment para nagkaroon ka na ng awakening, para nagising ka sa katotohanan, ganon. So, let's see what is the tower moment. So, there's a Six of Pentacles. Magtutuloy-tuloy na rin about sa finances. So, ito yung kumbaga marami ka na mabibili, no? Like, house or lote, ganon, bahay. Kumbaga sinasabi dito na unti-unti mo nang nagkakaroon ka ng investment. So, let's see what is the Four of Cups and the Knight of Pentacles. So, there's a Two of Pentacles. There's a balance. So, panatili yung maging balance, no? Pagdating sa finances. And of course, there's a King of Pentacles. There's a security. No? Kumbaga, magkakaroon ka ng victory dito and secure sa pagdating sa finances. Alam mo, laking ano dito na pagdating sa pera, magaang sa'yo. And of course, there's a Queen of Wands. Kumbaga, there's a stability and control. So, ibig sabihin dito, kumbaga, kailangan kontrolado mo yung eksena mo. Na huwag ka magtitiwala at huwag ka nagbibigay ng information. Marami na iinggit sa'yo. Let's see what is the Two of Wands. So, it was the Strength card. There's a Wheel of Fortune. There's a good luck. No? Kumbaga, kumbaga sinasabi na confident is key to success, di ba? The Wheel of Fortune, kumbaga, dun papasok yung swerte. The more na confident ka, the more na, kumbaga, enjoy ka dun sa ginagawa mo, the more na naghahata ka ng good energy and positive energy, the more yung swerte pumapasok na sa'yo. So, let's see what is the Word card and the Judgment. And kung sinasabi dito, there's Emperor, be mature enough and being grounded. Kailangan maging mature ka sa lahat ng desisyon mo at magising ka sa katotohanan kung ano man yung mga bagay-bagay. So, ibig sabihin dito, maging mature ka sa mga decisions or sa mga plano mo. Parang ito na yung minumulat ka na sa nangyari sa inyo sa nakaraan mo. So, let's see what is the Tower moment and the Six of Pentacles. So, there's a Knight of Swords. There's a success driven. So, ibig sabihin dito, talagang parating yung magandang bukas at magandang buhay na nakalaan para sa'yo. Let's see what is the outcome. Ang outcome is the Eight of Pentacles. So, magkaroon ka daw ng business or trabaho or negosyo na, kumbaga, na alis ka na sa situation. There's a moving on, no? Kumbaga, there's an information na dapat mong tanggapin, no? And because there's a the Sun card, there's a pure positive outcome. So, magkakaroon ka ng success dito. So, let's see what is additional messages. And of course, there's a higher plan. So, para sinasabi, there's an education or mga bagay na dapat mo natutunan from your past relationship or past experiences. So, sinasabi dito na magsasucess ka, no? Gamitin mo yung mga bagay na natutunan mo o yung mga bagay na pinagdaanan mo at may mga bagay na dapat mong tanggapin. At kailangan mong mag-moving on, mag-business, bumuo ng negosyo, or kailangan mong mag-focus sa trabaho, no? And because there's a Chariot card, taking action. So, kung hindi ka magtitake ng action, hindi magbabago ang situation. So, let's see. What is the Love Oracle card? Let's see what is the Love Oracle card. There's an hand of the card. So, ibig sabihin dito, there's a take chance. So, ibig sabihin nasa sa'yo yung ala. So, kung hindi ka magagawa ng action, so walang mangyayari. Because there's a photograph, there's a memories, no? Kumbaga, there's some experiences from the past na dapat mo natutunan. And of course, there's a separation. Nagkaroon talaga ng hiwalayan or something na kailangan mo magkaroon ng separate, no? Sa mga eksena mo. So, let's see what is the magical fairies messages. So, ano yung pinaka-message sa'yo ng ating fairy? Perfect timing. So, this is the moment na kumaga darating yung araw kung para sa'yo talaga. This is the right time for you to move forward. So, magpatuloy ka. Na walang aatras. Moving forward. Magpatuloy. So, let's see what is the Yin and Yang Oracle card. So, let's see what is the Yin and Yang Oracle card. And because there is some guarded. Protectionan mo yung sarili mo, no? Pangalagaan mo yung sarili mo. And of course, there's a comfort zone. Alisin mo yung mga bagay na kinakatakutan mo, yung mga bagay na pinapangambahan mo, kasi yun yung nagsisilbing blockages sa'yo. And of course, there's a release. I told you so. No, kailangan mo yung release, yung mga negativities. So, let's see what is additional messages for angel spirit guides. And of course, there is the fall into my arms. So, ibig sabihin talaga dito, surrender mo, no? Kung para sa'yo, para sa'yo. And of course, there's a crack open. So, ibig sabihin dito, rock bottom, surrender. Talagang there's a surrender talaga. May mga bagay na kailangan mong ipaubaya sa may kapal, no? Kumbaga there's a wheel of fortune kung talaga nakatadhana, nakatadhana. So, let's see what is Archangel Raphael. Give us your care. So, ibig sabihin dito, ibibigay sa iyo ang pangangalaga at ibibigay sa iyo yung way, no? At ang kailangan mo lang daw alisin yung worries and fears mo, no? So, let's see what is Archangel Michael. Positive thoughts create a positive outcome. So, always being optimistic, always being positive, and honor and trust your feelings. So, lagi kang makikinig at lagi mong pakikinggan yung nararamdaman mo, your inner voice. And of course, there's a pay attention to your dreams, no? Kailangan tutukan mo kung ano talaga yung gusto mong hangarin sa buhay mo. Yung desires mo talaga, yung heart desires, no? Yung mga bagay na pinangarap mo, yung mga bagay na gusto mo talagang gawin sa buhay mo, and detach from the situation. Kailangan mong kumawala ka sa situation. Lalo-lalo na it's unhealthy, umalis ka dyan. Yun, hindi mo deserve yan. So, let's see what is additional messages. And there's an abundance. Talaga mayroong kasaganahan dito and there's a growth and expansion. No? There's an abundance, there's expansion, diba? So, let's see what is the Monsology. Talaga parang sinasabi dito, boom, pasabog. Magbo-boom talaga to. And because there is a conclusion or within reach, no? Tama yung hinala mo, tama yung pangamba mo. Tama yung suspecha mo. Ganon. So, let's see what is additional messages. And energy healing. So, kailangan mo ng energy healing in all aspect, ha? Finances, career, love life. So, kailangan mo ng energy healing. And of course, there's a freedom. No? Makakalaya ka na sa lahat ng mga negativities and toxicities. At palayain mo yung sarili mo. Ganon. Additional messages. And there's a dragonfly, a transformation. And there's a teacher and guardian. So, may gumagabay sa'yo dito. Because there's a trust. Magtiwala ka lang sa ating universe. Rather sa ating mga Panginoon at mga gabay. But let's see what is a chakra. There's a vanity. See, alisin mo yung mga bagay na, kumbaga, walang kabuluhan. No? Umiiwas sa mga toxic na mga kaibigan. And of course, there's a faith. Magtiwala ka. Kung para sa'yo. Boom, pasabog. Ganon. And of course, kumbaga, sinasabi dito na maniwala ka sa mga bagay na kung para sa'yo. And of course, there's an expansion. Palalawakin talaga ang mga bagay-bagay. Kaalaman yan or buhay mo, career. So, let's see what is additional messages. And there's a patience. So, there's a time to heal and time to progress. Na talagang magpupuno ka talaga ng oras dito at panahon. And of course, there's a for Chakra Archangel Raphael for healing. There's a healing involvement talaga dito. So, let's see what is the Romance Angels. There's an honeymoon. So, some of you enjoy the bliss of holiday time together. If you are relationship, married, no? Your partner, some of you may honeymoon daw dito, no? So, and of course, let's see what is the Jesus loving quotes. I am with you always, even at the end of the world. So, ibig sabihin dito, si Jesus daw sa ang ating Panginoon lagi daw nakagabay sa iyo, no? Kahit na alam mong kumbaga parang pinagsakloban ka ng langit at lupa, kumbaga maaring hindi mo lang nakikita yung mga bagay-bagay o improvement sa buhay mo, pero ibinigay yan ni God para sa iyo, para maranasan mo yung mga bagay na yan, para matutunan mo at para mapag-aralan mo ng maayos at para magtiwala ka sa mga bagay na ipinagkakaloob sa iyo. So, meron tayong angel's answer. So, this is the angel's answer. So, meron tayo, pwede ka mag-question dyan. So, pwede ka kung ano yung iisipin mong question at titignan natin ano gusto sabihin sa ng angel's answer. Kung paano nyo sasagutin yung iyong katanungan. So, mag-isip na kayo guys na magiging tanong nyo. Bibilang ako ng 3, kailangan nakapag-isip na kayo. 1, 2, 3. So, game na guys. Umpisa na natin. So, this is the angel's answer ha. Kailangan nakapag-question na kayo. What is the question? What is the answer? Ano question? Oh my God. Ask for help from others. So, kailangan mo ng tulong ng ibang tao, no? And of course, there's an unlikely. So, may mga bagay na parang sinasabi dito na hindi mo magugustuhan yung, kumbaga, or hindi mo nagugustuhan yung kaganapan sa buhay mo. Or may mga bagay na kailangan hindi mo dapat magustuhan. Parang ganon. There's an unlikely. And of course, there's a success, no? There's a success. So, let's see what is the angel's number. Let's see what is the angel's number. There's a 27. I am expressive. So, sinasabi dito, your mind is wide open and you are tolerant and compassionate towards all ways of life. Your value freedom of expression and want to improve the condition of people, whether in a community, country of the world, and at and large. So, ibig sabihin dito, kayang-kaya mo ipakita kung sino talaga, kung ano ka talaga or sino ka talaga. No? Kung ano man yung pagkatao mo, kung ano man yung mga bagay na kumbaga mababago sa sarili mo or knowledges mo, kumbaga nag-share ka lang ng mga thoughts and ideas. So, let's see what is the messages of life. Dance of the reading of life. So, sinasabi dito, guys, today I find the joy in my heart. I find lighten my life by releasing what I no longer need. I align myself with know who I am. I just acknowledge who I am not. I am grateful for what I possess and I am the peace with what I do not. I appreciate and accept my life as it is. I live according to the will of God. In this way, I dance with the life and see the magic of love bloom. So, ibig sabihin talaga, there's a bloom and boom, no? Kumbaga may pasabog talaga at magkakaroon ka ng blossoming dito na may mga bagay na ipagkakaloob sa'yo, may mga bagay na para sa'yo, may mga bagay na hindi para sa'yo. Kumbaga ngayon inire-release mo na yung doubt and fear mo, no? Kumbaga, humaharap ka na sa mga bagay na sa mga magiging possibilities. Kung para sa'yo, ganun talaga, no? Kumbaga, magpasalamat ka kung ano yung mga opportunity na binibigay sa'yo. May mga bagay ka na blessing na natatanggap. Thank you, Lord. Amen. So, guys, this is weekly gabay for the month of November 17 hanggang November 23 for the sign of Virgo. This reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang pa makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit notification bell for more videos update. And of course, maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel, lalo-lalo na hindi nag-skip ng ads. Naway pagpalain po kayo ng Diyos at may kapal siksik diglig nag-uumapa o manubalik sa inyo. Maraming salamat and see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush!